Why is scope of representation vital in athlete-agent agreements? Imagine signing a contract that could shape your entire sports career. Now think about what happens if the details aren't clear. That's why understanding the scope of representation is so important. It's like setting the rules of the game before it begins. The scope of representation in athlete-agent agreements spells out exactly what services the agent will provide and what authority they have. Without this, confusion can lead to disagreements or even legal trouble. For example, the agreement should specify if the agent can negotiate contracts with sports teams, secure endorsement deals, or handle public relations. If these details aren't clear, an agent might overstep or miss important opportunities. This clarity helps prevent disputes over what the agent is allowed to do. It also gives the athlete control over their career decisions. When the scope is well defined, the athlete knows which areas the agent can influence and which they must approve. This keeps the athlete's rights protected and ensures they stay in the driver's seat. Legally, the scope of representation also matters because it affects how enforceable the contract is. If an agent acts outside the agreed limits, the athlete can often take legal action to end the relationship or seek damages. The scope also ties into how the athlete gets paid and what responsibilities the agent has. If the agent goes beyond their limits, they might not be entitled to compensation. Laws like the Revised Uniform Athlete Agents Act requiring clear descriptions of what agents can do to keep the process fair. In practical terms, a clear scope helps both sides manage risks and plan for the future. It ensures the agent provides the right services, whether that's contract negotiations, marketing, or international representation. It also makes it easier to handle issues if something goes wrong. Overall, the scope of representation is the foundation of a solid athlete-agent relationship. It sets clear boundaries, protects athlete rights, and keeps everything running smoothly. When it's done right, both the athlete and the agent know exactly what to expect, making the partnership more successful and less risky.